technology can really change things from a big macro perspective as well as much smaller perspectives.
What technology innovation are you most excited about in your sector right now?
I think it's that old system thinking. So it's not one technology. It's bringing it all together, getting to a situation where you can simulate everything. Now, I've just talked
Yeah,
about
sure.
um, uh, train command and control at one route. I've talked about the energy and how do you make it most efficient from a decarbonisation perspective. So a train running on various routes, reducing the cost, reducing the carbon, all of that sort of thing. But the reality of it is the rail system operates in a much bigger system. Energy input from various places. We've got a situation where there's greater demands on energy. So data centers, the change in the environment, air conditioning and all that requires more and more energy. And we as Siemens, as a one tech company, have the ability to look at these subsystems, systems, all systems and super systems and model it all virtually with AI and actually look at the interventions that are required to really optimize that, rather than, as we tend to do across the world here and here in the UK, is patch and mend little bits. And eventually, by just doing patch and mending of stuff, you actually end up with something that's totally different, costs a lot more, and is operating on a much higher cost base than it needs to do. So for me, there's technology can really change things from a big macro perspective as well as much smaller perspectives.